Hey guys, so I wanted to get this on film. I hope you guys can hear me, but I'm currently at my great grandmother's house. Her birthday was 3 days ago. She turned 81 and it's like, I love her. I'm obsessed with her. So I decided to drive up to where she lives. She lives about an hour from where I live, and surprise her with some goodies. So I'm literally gonna take 2 photos. One photo of the present that I got her and one photo of her house, because she has no clue that I'm even here. And when she gets that message, she's gonna be like, what the heck? And she's gonna look on her balcony and she's gonna see my car and I'm gonna give her her present. So I'm going to tape it for you guys. I'm gonna see if I can angle it so that you guys can see everything. But yeah, I'm gonna show you what I got her. All right, so as you can see, I got her a bouquet of flowers, some skincare products that she wanted, and then her favorite wine. So I'm just gonna send her the photos now. I'm trying to figure out where to set up the camera before she even notices that I'm here, because she's always looking out the window to see like who pulled up in her driveway. So trying to figure it out. It's exciting because we don't get to see each other, obviously, because of the pandemic, and I stay far away from her because she is older. So I know she's gonna be really excited. So I sent her the message. I'm just waiting for her to like notice and like put everything together. So I'm gonna set up the camera for you guys because she's gonna come out. There she is. Hi. Okay, here's Bethany. Come on in the door. The door's open. You want to put a coat on? Here, I'll stand up here. Hi, sweetie. Hey guys, so I wanted to quickly come on here and show you what I came home to from Shein. So they sent me a couple clothing pieces. So the first one is this thong and this lingerie piece, which you guys will see on my Instagram. I'm planning on doing something for Valentine's Day where I'm planning on doing some like Valentine's Day content for my Instagram, so you guys will see me in that on there. And then they also sent me this kind of half top here. Ooh. So it just looks like this. This one's kind of risque because it's literally stops under your boob. And then they also sent me these jeans. Oops. And they just look like that. And then I also was sent some items from the, hold on, let me turn this on, from the PLT by Tiana Taylor collection. So I just have a dress, joggers, a crop, and then the jacket, which I'm going to do like a full video or a clothing haul on some of the things that I was gifted from brands, so stay tuned for that. So I got one of these like things, I don't know what they're called, little tripod, let me zip this up. So I got one of these things, these little tripod things for my vlogs to make it so much easier, because it gets really tiring holding my camera for some reason, but this, it's not as bad. So it is currently 10:15 and I am going to kind of like this warehouse type thing to take photos. I have a couple outfits that I need to take photos in that are like collaborations with brands, so I want them to be really good photos and I want like different scenery. So I found somewhere that's owned by my friend, and so I figured I would just vlog for you guys. I just got my hair done. As you can see, it's a cute little side part inspired by Ashanti and, why isn't it focusing? Ashanti and Keisha Cole. If you guys have seen their battle or like their verses on Instagram, I was obsessed. So yeah, I have my hair like them now. Love them. If you did watch it, who do you think won? I don't know who won because I just love them both. Let me turn this around. Yeah, I love them both, so I can't really tell or I can't really like decide which of them won. They're like two totally different styles, so let me know what you guys think. This is my makeup. If you know me, you know that this is pretty much what I do all the time. Let me try to get some good lighting. Yeah, it's better lighting. Why isn't this focusing? Okay, well, hopefully this focuses. I am going to be doing a updated makeup tutorial or updated makeup routine for you guys, because I know a lot of you guys have been asking. I am definitely going to film that. I'm going to film that for my Instagram too, like a little reel for my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram as well if you want to see like quick little clippets, and then I'm going to insert my updated makeup tutorial in a vlog, so stay tuned for that. Oh, also my hairdresser, shout out to my hairdresser. She actually got me, or sorry, not got me, she gave me a new palette. So I've been wanting to try Juvia's Place palettes for the longest time, but I just haven't gotten around to purchasing, and the 1 or 2 times that I did check their site, they were sold out of the things that I wanted. I want to try their lipsticks, but whatever, they didn't have them. But my hairdresser, she actually gave me 2 of their palettes, so I'm going to show you guys. All right. So this is kind of weird because it's on my thing and you can see my stove, but this is the palette that she gave me. It is the Masquerade palette, and this is what it looks like. It has like colorful shadows up here and then more neutral. I used the shade today and the shade on my lid. I'm absolutely obsessed. And then she also gave me this bronzer blush palette. It is the Sahara blush palette. Super cute. Like, I love this blush shade. I wouldn't really use any of these, to be honest, but I do like this. I don't know if it's going to show up on my skin, but I'll definitely be using this in a future video for you guys, so I'll tell you what I think. But so far, these shadows are bomb, super pigmented, no fallout at all. I didn't have any fallout, and I did my entire face and did my shadows after. Absolutely no fallout. Very, very buttery. Highly recommend. Plus, they're super affordable. I think this palette's like 30 bucks. Not sure how much this palette is, but it's super affordable. But yeah, you guys, so I am going to head to the warehouse to meet up with my friend. I'm wearing this tracksuit by Hostile Club, which is a brand that they sent me this tracksuit, and I actually love it. Like, it's really, really comfortable, super cute. I have it on with a white tank like that, and yeah, it's a vibe. Anyways, I will see you guys when I get to the shoot. I guess it's a shoot. All right, fine. Hello, you guys. Oh, you can't really see me. Now you can see me. So, I've been a horrible vlogger today. I'll actually go somewhere where you guys can actually hear me. I kind of just got right into it, but I feel like the shoot was very successful. We got a bunch of different looks. This is one of them. So it's just this top from Shein. So it's like, ugh, I hate when my nipples show. So it's just this top from Shein. It's a half top. So it has a little bit of under boob. It's a little risque. And then the jeans are also from Shein. They're just like mom jeans or like girlfriend jeans or something like that. I don't know what the style is, but I'm gonna link it down below. So I did this look, and I just have some coral heels on, and then I have the matching clutch, which I'll show you guys. Super cute. If you want to see some of the photos, check out my Instagram. I'll put it down below and on the screen for you guys. I also did some pictures in the Pretty Little Thing by Tiana Taylor collection if you guys are interested, and a lingerie set for Valentine's Day. So yeah, if you guys want to see all the photos that I took today, definitely follow me on Instagram, because that's where you're gonna see everything come to life. I'm gonna go back out there and show you guys my whole outfit so that you could see with the clutch and everything. Where's my little clutchy clutch? Oh, there it is. Music I drop. All right, so I put the I can't hear it.
What do you want to hear? Yourself?
No, yeah, myself. Okay, so I turned the light around so you guys can see me a little bit better. So this is the outfit, half top, some girlfriend jeans, these heels from Call It Spring, and then the matching clutch from Call It Spring. It's like a corally color. You can't really tell on camera, but that's what it looks like. But yeah, and we are filming in a gym. Don't film me. You're embarrassing me. You're embarrassing me with my little hobby, okay? That's pretty much a wrap for our shoot. Come be in it. Show. I mean, like, come be in it. I've literally known this guy since I was... How old were we when we met? How old was I? Huh? Grade not 10? Grade 9? Grade 9. I'm pointing it to myself. So we met when I was 15. I'm 25. We've known each other for 10 years. Okay, but I was supposed to show all my outfits. I'm so mad. Ugh. Okay, I'm just gonna show them the outfits in the bathroom. I'm not gonna put them on. I'm just gonna show like the pieces and then just go to my Instagram. Facts. Okay, so here's a kind of like a little mini tour of the place. This is a gym, you guys. All right, so I took photos in this. It's just like a nice like baby doll lingerie fit. Super cute for Valentine's Day. You guys will see it on my Instagram. Comes with a little thong, super cute. This pretty little thing by Tiana Taylor jacket is so cute. I don't think I got good photos in it. Like the photos that I'm gonna use, I don't think I was wearing this jacket. So that's pretty shit. I wore this. This is like a jumpsuit from Shop Divine Design, which I told you guys about. Actually, I don't know, because I don't know if I'm putting that video up, but I think I told you guys about that. But there's that. This is the shirt that I wore with the joggers that I'm about to show you from the PLT by Tiana Taylor collection. And then this is the jogger. I don't know if you guys prefer to see it in the mirror or like in person. In the mirror is better because you could actually see like what it looks like. So this is what the jogger looks like. They're like baggy, but they cinch in the waist. Super cute. So if you guys want to see how I styled all of these, then definitely check out my Instagram for like the 17th time. It's like, I think like 1 in the morning. I don't really know what time it is. It's definitely past 12. I actually have a baby shower to go to tomorrow morning, a virtual baby shower. So definitely need to go home soon and get some sleep. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm not sure if I'm gonna end it here, but just in case I am, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I definitely want to do more vlogs and be more consistent with vlogs on my channel, so give it a thumbs up if you like. Subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you in my next video.